Huh? What's that? Huh? Is that your basketball? Is that your basketball? Huh? Is it? Let's see. Yeah. Okay, you want me to throw it? Huh? You want me to throw it? Watch out for Mac. Oh, what happened? Mom didn't throw it very well. Huh? Mom didn't throw it very well. Huh? Can you get it? Can you get it in there? Can you get it in there? What's the matter? What? You can't get it? Okay. Yeah. There. Get out of the way. All right, you have to get out of the way, Annabelle. Huh? It's getting kind of full of snow. Huh? It's getting kind of full of snow. Oh. What? Is your snowball in there somewhere? Is your snowball in there somewhere? You find it, Mac. You're a good boy. Okay, and then there's you. Huh? Then there's you. There. Let's get the basketball. Huh? It's all full of snow. There. You're not doing much for the camera, sweetheart. Huh? You're not doing much for the camera. Huh? Mom wants action. Huh? We need action. We don't need this inaction stuff. Huh? Go get your basketball. Look at it. Look at it. It's covered in snow. Come on. Oh. What do you think? Okay, Mom will throw it. Huh? Mom will throw it. That's it? That's all you're going to do? I think you're camera shy. Huh? I think you're camera shy. Are you camera shy? Huh? Did you find it, Mac? What? 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 Did you find it?